Ka, Max Smiles. It is so great to be here with you again, and congratulations for the 6 years anniversary of Max Smiles. I always hear about Max Smiles because Kun Wirat tells me about every meeting. I always see photos of this really great food you have and the great sharing. And every time I wish a part of me could be there with you to enjoy your company. I am so happy with all the work that you're doing. I am so proud of all the volunteers who help with all the activities. And I'm especially proud of my team, the Max Thailand team, who I think do a great job supporting the community in Thailand. I am happy that this year you have 3 different cities that will celebrate life in October. I am so proud of bringing Maximo to Thailand with your help. I think that Maximo is a wonderful companion for any child and any person who has a challenge. So I thank you for helping me bring Maximo to children in Thailand. I always also want to tell you that Maximo is with you, and every time you feel scared or you feel lonely, you can feel that Maximo will help you be brave, and you can fly on the wings of Maximo to be happy and help others. So I want to say to all of you, good luck with the meeting. I want to see all the photos, so please take good photos for me, and just want to wish you the best, and Kampung Ka, Max Smiles.